Good Sunday morning, my friends. Hope you're having a lovely Sunday. It's beautiful here. It's sunny outside. I'm going to take myself out for a nice lunch today. Oh, I just love it when the sun is shining bright. You got your cuppa? Probably not, because it's Sunday after church. It's lunchtime here, but I'm going to wait until everybody from the churches gets out and they go and they eat their lunch and then they all leave so I could actually get a seat someplace. So, I missed you all. I had no idea when I came up to this house that I was going to be so busy, so entertained. My little granddaughter-in-law, Lauren, y'all know Lauren, the beautiful, beautiful brunette with the big brown eyes. She's the mother of my little great-grandson, Luke, that I call Pumpkin Pants. I call him Charlie. I call him all kinds of things. Our family's like that. We always call everybody something besides their name. I don't know how that got started. But anyway, they've been coming over, and I got a text yesterday from Lauren. Oh my goodness. So, I don't know, what should I say? Surprised, ashamed. The girl has picked up my addiction. I couldn't believe it. She texted me and she said, she had a picture of some fabric and she said, "What do you think about this fabric at Fabric Mart Fabrics?" And I thought, what on earth is she doing at Fabric Mart Fabrics? She doesn't even have a sewing machine. So anyway, now that she's been sewing, she has a little sewing machine, but she said she thinks she paid $50 for it and she hates it. So now that she's been sewing on my Berninas, she just loves sewing. And she's been here a lot, and of course so has Luke. And so Luke takes a 2-hour nap in the afternoon, so while he's sleeping we get a whole lot of sewing done. So that's why I haven't been able to make a video for a while. I'm too grandma-y when my baby's around. So, while this has been going on, I've been here for a couple weeks now, and I have been on a pants sewing marathon. I'm always like that. If I get into a certain thing, I always want to make it 2, 3, 4 times. I just think, oh, maybe I can do it better. Oh, that's a little better, but maybe I can do it better than that. Oh, that's pretty good, but maybe I can change it or morph it, or what do they call it when you Frankenstein a pattern? That doesn't sound right. Anyway, take one pattern and change it into different things, okay? So, I'm into pants right now. And I've been into pants before, but then my body changed and none of them fit me, so I just got kind of ticked off and decided to just make blouses, because blouses can fit you a whole lot longer than pants can. So anyway, I want to tell you guys, I am not an employee of SureFit Designs. I am not an affiliate of SureFit Designs. I just love SureFit Designs. And I know Glenda Sparling just because at first, when I first got my dress kit and my pants kit, I used to email her 10 times a day and say, how do you do this, how do you do that, how do you do this, how do you do that? Okay, you know about the pants kit. You know that I've been making pants. I have made 3 pair of pants. I have done kind of a twirl. I haven't looked at it yet. I hope I don't look too horrible, but I've done kind of a twirl here of pair number 2 and pair number 3, which I'm wearing. This is pair number 3. And I had to make a blouse to go with it. I didn't have a single thing in my closet that goes with burgundy, so I made this blouse to go with it yesterday. And I love it. I love it. I love it. This is that. If y'all haven't gotten that fabric that's called brushed or double brushed, it is so soft. Oh, it's just, Lauren and I both just love this brushed fabric. She made something out of one yesterday too. So anyway, pants kit, SureFit Designs, and then this book that Glenda made to go with the kit, showing how you take the basic pattern and you can change it to any other kind of a pant, okay? So, there's no discount on this Pants That Mix and Multiply, but Glenda has given me a discount code for you guys to use if you want to get the pants kit or the pants kit combo. The pants kit combo, if I remember right, comes with the designing stylus and a DVD. If you just get the pants kit, you just get this envelope with the patterns in it. And there's a book, there's an instruction book in it. Mine isn't in it because I have it out there on my cutting table. But this does come with the full instruction book. Okay? So that's the pants kit. Now, I need to tell you what Glenda's doing for everybody. Glenda called me and she volunteered to do this. I mean, how many people call you up and say, "Can I give your followers a prize?" I'm like, what? She noticed that Viv and I are doing these challenge things and that we're giving away prizes. And she called and said, "Well, why didn't you call me and ask me to give you a prize?" And I'm like, "Well, why would I do that?" And I said, "Actually," and this is the truth, she did not ask me to do this. I said to her, "Actually, I just got your pants kit out and I'm fixing to do a pants sew along." And I said, "If you want to give away prizes, why don't we do it on that?" So that's what we've decided to do. So there's going to be prizes. I'm not even going to tell you what they are yet because this isn't going to start until like the middle of February. Okay, when we do the actual sew along. So I don't want to get everybody mixed up and have them start doing things now, and you know, we don't even have a hashtag yet or anything like that. So I'll tell you what the prizes are later, okay, when we actually start sewing. But a lot of you, of course, want to go ahead and get the pants kit because you have to draw a pattern. And before we can sew the pants, we need to have a pattern for the pants, okay? So look down below in the description box. There's two little words there that say, right underneath this video, scroll, turn me off, scroll down, and it'll say show more. Click on show more and that will open up, and then you will see all the information that I'm getting ready to give you, okay? I'm not going to tell you the prizes yet, but I'm going to tell you the websites that you need to use if you live somewhere other than the United States. SureFit Designs is in other countries, and the other countries have their own distributors. And so those ladies have their own website, and you would only have to pay postage for those countries. You wouldn't have to pay for postage from the United States to Australia or the United States to the UK. You understand? So I'm going to put in the description box below the 3 other distributors for the other countries and the same codes, pantsjoy or joyminipants. You'll see it down at the bottom. Those same 2 codes will work in the other countries with the other websites, with the other distributors, okay? So that's very, very important. I think Glenda's going to put out a video today kind of telling the same thing, okay? So, if you're in the UK or Ireland, let me know. I'd love to know. You follow me from there. The lady's name that's the distributor there is Judith Johnson. Judith Johnson. And she has a website. If you want to write it down right now and you don't want to look below, it's surefitdesigns.co.uk. SureFit Designs, no dash in the SureFit, surefitdesigns.co.uk. Judith Johnson, okay? Now, if you live in Canada, if you live in Canada, let me know. You're going to join me and sew these pants. I'd love to know who you are and that you live in Canada. The distributor there is Anna S. Pindola. Anna S. Pindola. She has pin in her name. Isn't that fun? Her website is everybody's surefitdesigns.ca. surefitdesigns.ca. And that's Anna Espindola in Canada. So you can use those 2 codes, joyminipants or pantsjoy, if you live in Canada, okay? And it'll save you a little bit of money. All right, now if you live in Australia or New Zealand, Australia, it says NZ, I'm assuming that's New Zealand. The distributor there is Martha Schuster. Martha Schuster. Her website is surefitdesigns.com.au. surefitdesigns.com.au. Martha Schuster. All right? Now, even if you live in those countries, you'll still be able to win a prize in our random number generator. That's how we're going to choose a winner. It doesn't matter what your pants turn out like, how many you make, or what they look like. we'll do the random number generator, and one person will win a prize in the UK, in Canada, in Australia. In the United States, we're going to have 3 prizes. Okay? And I'm not going to tell you what the prizes are yet, because I don't want to mix everything up and make it... I'm confused. I don't want to confuse you guys anymore, okay? Alrighty. That's all I know for now. Gotta have the pants kit to make the pants pattern. Alright? Do you have to use Sure Fit Designs to make the pant? No. No. This is my channel. This is my pant sew along. If you want to use a different pattern, absolutely feel free to use a different pattern. But if you want to learn how to do Sure Fit Designs with me, this is what comes in the kit. You can watch Glenda's videos and see her use it, see her mark it. You get one of these for the pant back, and you get one of these for the pant front. And then it has pockets and waistbands and things like that to finish your pants with. Okay? So that's what comes in this kit if you want to get it and use it to make your pants. I definitely am using it to make all of my pants because I want my pants to fit. Now, let me tell you a little something. The most important thing about getting these pants to fit, in my opinion, say, there she goes with her opinion again. In my opinion, the most important measurement is your crotch length. I have measured mine and measured mine and measured mine. I've done it everybody's way, and I have come up with 4 different measurements from 26 inches to 29 inches. I'm not kidding. Why is that? Because it is so easy to measure wrong. And when I put the elastic around my waist to play like it's the elastic band, when I put it around my waist, it wants to come up here. It wants to come up here where the skinniest part of me is. And so, you know, you're supposed to settle and wiggle and make sure it's in the right place and measure from it. Well, if I measure it like that, I'm going to end up with Gomer Pyle pants. I want mine to be where these are. This is my 3rd pair, and I really like the crotch in these. I came up with 27 inches for the crotch in these, and I really like it. I don't know what I had in the first, the purple pair, and I don't know what I had now in the 2nd pair, but all 3 pair have different crotch lengths. All 3 pair are wearable, but they all hit me at a different level. Now, how do you measure your crotch length? Glenda has a video showing you how to do it with a crotchometer. A crotchometer is simply a measuring tape with a string tied to it and a fishing weight at the bottom of the string, and you put the measuring tape around you and you let the string hang down perpendicular to the floor, and then that tells you how much from your front waist to your crotch your measurement is, and how much from your back waist to your crotch your measurement is. That's the and very important numbers, front and back. You know what the whole number is, wherever you choose that you want your waist to be, your whole number, but you have to divide that into front and back. Now, Glenda has a system to use that makes that distance 2 inches apart. Sometimes that works, sometimes it doesn't. We all have such different bodies. Now, Philly and I took a class. We've taken many classes from this darling lady. Her name is Lorraine Henry. Lorraine Henry. And she has a whole different way of her fit system. But what she does is she has people, how do you determine where to put the tape underneath you to figure out where front stops and back starts? You understand what I'm saying? She says you can use your water outlet valve. Water outlet valve. So you can put the tape to that area from the front and from the back, and that gives you a pretty good measurement. I kind of get confused, you know, is it the water outlet valve or the baby outlet valve? But anyway, that is a good way to do it. Oh, Philly and I just cracked up laughing when she said that. All right, measure your crotch. Measure it 27 times. Have your husband help you measure it and laugh at you while you're doing it. It's lots of fun. But it's very important that you get that measurement right. All right, we'll go into more details later. Remember the ladies I told you about. Remember the discount codes I told you about. And let's get prepared to make pants together. Now, the style I'm going to show you is going to have the elastic in the back because it is a wonderful way to deal with a very sway back. It is really hard to get a waistband cut out right and tucked right to make it suck into a sway back. This elastic, I haven't done these before. It's the first time. I've never done my pants like this before. To have them flat in the front and elastic in the back. It is a wonderful way. I wore these all day yesterday. They were very comfortable. I wasn't hiking them up or pulling them down. Very comfortable. So that's what I'm going to show you. Now, guess what else? Guess what else? We're having a famous guest. We're having a famous guest. Y'all ask me about her all the time. Philly's coming back. Philly is coming back. She's going to be here Tuesday and she's going to be here the rest of the week. And she said she might make a pair of pants when she's here. So if she does, I'll be sure and film her doing her dot to dot, us measuring her and doing the dot to dot and getting her paper pattern drawn out and then making her actual pants. And it'll be so nice because I can do the camera and she can just, you know, do her thing. All right? So Philly's coming back Tuesday. Get ready for that. And I better let you go or this video is going to be way too long. Hey, did I show you my pants? I don't even know if I showed you my pants yet. Okay, this is an insert. This is an insert. You all have seen the first pair that I made, the purple ones, and you saw that they turned out really nice. Then I made another pair that are gray colored, and I took the leg in a little bit on that pair. And then I made this pair I have on, which is pair number 3, and I took the leg in on this one too. And remember, all 3 have different crotch measurements. I just kind of did a little twirl for you. I think I talked about it earlier, but I forgot to show you the pictures, so here they are. All right, ladies, that's all for now. I'm going to go someplace and buy myself a nice lunch, and it's possible it might end up being really near Joann Fabrics. We shall see. Bye for now.